This is not just a park. It's where Berlin's history stands tall. Soft ambient music begins, the sound of wind, faint city noises, and distant birds. High above the rooftops of Kreuzberg, there's a hill that carries the weight of centuries. At first glance, Viktoriapark seems like a quiet escape, a place for families, friends, and dreamers. But hidden behind the trees and waterfalls lies a story far greater than the park itself. A story of freedom, war, and rebirth. The story of Berlin. In the early 19th century, Europe was trembling under Napoleon's rule. Prussia, then a proud but wounded kingdom, was struggling to reclaim its dignity. In 1813, near a village called Großgürschen, Prussian and Russian soldiers clashed with Napoleon's army in one of the decisive battles of the Wars of Liberation. It was a fierce fight, brutal, chaotic, and costly. But it marked the beginning of the end for Napoleon's dominance in Germany. 8 years later, King Friedrich William III ordered a monument to be built in Berlin to honor the fallen heroes and celebrate the spirit of unity that had risen from the chaos of war. That monument, the Nationaldenkmal für die Befreiungskriege, or the National Monument for the Wars of Liberation, still stands today, towering at the summit of Viktoriapark. Built in 1821, this iron giant was designed by the famous architect King Friedrich Schinkel, the same visionary who shaped much of Berlin's classical beauty. He chose a striking Gothic style, sharp, vertical, cathedral-like, to reflect both mourning and triumph. Each corner of the monument bears the name of a historic battle: Großgürschen, Katzbach, Dennewitz, Leipzig, and each statue represents one of the virtues that carried Prussia through war: faith, strength, courage, victory. The monument's dark green color isn't accidental either. It's made of cast iron, a symbol of endurance and resilience. And the Iron Cross, resting at its top, became one of the most recognizable emblems of German honor. A reminder that true strength comes not from conquest, but from sacrifice. From here, standing at the top of Kreuzberg Hill, you can see all of Berlin stretching to the horizon. In the 1800s, this was one of the highest points in the city. Soldiers once stood here, watching over the land they had fought to free. Today, couples sit on the same steps, watching the sunset glow over the skyline. The TV tower in the distance, the golden light brushing over the city that was once divided and now whole again. But the monument was just the beginning. In 1894, the city transformed this area into the public park we know today, Viktoriapark. Landscape architect Hermann Mächtig gave life to Schinkel's vision by surrounding it with beauty and motion. He built the cascading waterfall, one of Berlin's most enchanting sights, that flows gently down the hill from the monument to the basin below. It's artificial, yet it feels alive, a symbol of time itself, flowing endlessly through the heart of the city. Every detail here carries meaning. The sound of water softens the memory of war. The lush trees planted around the monument speak of renewal. And the people who gather here, Berliners, travelers, families, artists, continue to give this place its soul. Viktoriapark is not just a park, it's a living memorial. A reminder that even after the darkest chapters of history, life continues, and beauty can rise from ruins. If you listen closely while standing at the base of the monument, you can almost hear echoes of the past, the footsteps of soldiers, the ringing of church bells, and the whisper of wind carrying their memory across the city. As the sun sets behind the trees and Berlin lights begin to flicker, the monument glows softly, a guardian of time, standing between history and today. So next time you climb this hill, don't just see the view, feel it. Feel the courage of those who fought for freedom, the artistry of those who built, and the peace that generations after have come here to enjoy. This is Viktoriapark, the hill where freedom rises and where Berlin's heart still beats, strong, proud, and eternal.